Choosing new windows is an important investment that can affect your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency for years to come. Among the many window styles available, casement windows remain a popular option because of their modern appearance, excellent ventilation, and strong energy performance. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward using a crank mechanism. Their design offers several advantages, but understanding which features matter most can help homeowners make the right decision for their needs. Energy-efficient glass options. One of the first features to consider is the glass package. Modern casement windows often include double-pane or triple-pane glass designed to improve insulation. Many also feature low-E coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter the home. Gas fills such as argon between the panes can further improve thermal performance. These energy-efficient features help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and may reduce heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Tight seals. For better efficiency, casement windows are known for their ability to create an airtight seal when closed. As the window locks, the sash presses tightly against the frame, helping reduce air leakage. This design often makes casement windows more energy efficient than some other window styles. A strong weather seal can help minimize drafts, improve comfort, and reduce the strain placed on heating and cooling systems. Easy to operate hardware. The crank mechanism is one of the defining features of casement windows. Quality hardware allows the window to open and close smoothly with minimal effort. Durable handles, hinges, and locking systems contribute to long-term performance and reliability. Homeowners should look for hardware that feels sturdy and operates easily, especially in windows that may be opened frequently. Ventilation performance. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to provide excellent airflow. Because the entire sash opens outward, the window can capture passing breezes and direct fresh air into the home. This makes casement windows particularly useful in kitchens, bedrooms, and living spaces where ventilation is important. For homeowners who value natural airflow, ventilation performance should be a top consideration. Durable frame materials. The frame material plays a major role in maintenance requirements and long-term performance. Common options include vinyl, fiberglass, wood, composite materials. Vinyl offers affordability and low maintenance. Fiberglass provides excellent strength and durability. Wood delivers a traditional appearance, while composite materials combine several benefits. Choosing the right material depends on your budget, maintenance preferences, and design goals. Security features. Modern casement windows often include multi-point locking systems that secure the window at several locations along the frame. These locking systems help improve security while also enhancing the window's seal. Strong locks and durable hardware provide additional peace of mind for homeowners. Security features should always be considered when selecting replacement windows. Design and style options. Casement windows are available in many sizes, colors, and configurations. Homeowners can select frame colors, grille patterns, and hardware finishes that complement their home's style. Casement windows also pair well with picture windows and other fixed windows to create larger window combinations. Choosing a design that matches the home's architecture helps improve both curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Professional installation matters. Even high-quality casement windows require proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation helps ensure proper sealing, smooth operation, energy efficiency, water resistance, long-term durability. Incorrect installation can lead to drafts, operational issues, and reduced performance. Working with experienced installers helps homeowners maximize the value of their investment. Making the right choice. Casement windows offer an excellent combination of energy efficiency, ventilation, security, and modern style. By focusing on important features such as glass performance, frame materials, hardware quality, and professional installation, homeowners can select windows that meet both their practical and aesthetic needs. With the right features and proper installation, casement windows can provide years of comfort, efficiency, and reliable performance while enhancing the beauty and value of the home.